Hey, welcome to jazznjelly.
I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show me ever. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say he been killing the vibe.
You gon' miss it, hey, cause it's fried chicken. Mind you, I don't know how to cook fried chicken.
I eat fried chicken.
So he eat fried chicken. I don't know, like, ooh, it's a titty. I don't know how to cook fried chicken. This is gonna be a first.
And she's black.
And then we gotta get our stirring check. Our spoon. We're gonna put that spoon over here. Oh, do you need cups or something? Let me get my measuring cup that's not in there. Red bowl. Okay. 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 Got this grandma skillet. Do it one time. Do it one time for the it's chicken. What? So we got 1 tablespoon of sugar. Oh,
Sweetness.
a sweet.
Does it work?
First you get your knife and then you stab it because he is a no good. Go down. All right, you got a tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 cup of rising flour. Tablespoon of seasoning salt. You do the honors.
Right.
Seasoning salt.
Michael Arias. Seasoning salt.
Yo, I'm hella excited for that movie to come back out. You don't even understand. Here we go. See? I didn't even know I had the permission to take the top off. How many? Oh. 3 teaspoons. Okay.
Oh boy.
My bad. That was gonna be salty.
We should probably put the recipe down here.
Down below.
Right down.
Ooh! Ooh, yes. Ooh, yes. 1 whole cup of it. Those look like little. Never mind. And then 1 whole chicken. Oh, show them how it looks now. I don't have a wick or whatever it's called. A flask, a whisk.
A whisk. Said a wick. I'm the one with the wick.
Okay, did they see?
Yeah.
Hey, alright y'all, that's how it looks. So we're gonna stir it up. Do it real slow.
I like it when you
So-
stir it slow.
Want me to stir it slow for you? I don't know how I feel about. Man, that's a lot, huh? You gonna eat that much?
Yeah. It's okay.
What you said?
That's enough to make enough chicken for the whole restaurant.
It's creamy.
This is how I like it.
Oh my goodness. Don't you take the rest of it? Boy, where my super boo? Dig on in here.
First of all, you don't want to be splashing hot grease.
Should have said it this morning when I was on.
Oh, you say what? Put that on half of a minute.
So yeah, we would be ratchet and got some Crisco and some peanut oil.
Yeah, get the
Because
the real
Detroit.
deal.
Because Detroit, that's why.
So we got the we can get the rest of the way.
Hell yeah. How much milk we put? What's the milk?
Cup and a half.
Milk.
We black. And we're gonna use water.
We don't want it to be watery. You do drop it. Sound like a dookie. Alright.
It does look familiar, doesn't it?
Shh. I'm repeating. Alright.
Oh, you should let me do it. So let's put
You doing good, babe. It's just milky.
we put a little bit of
Salt. You about to use all this chicken? So we dip it in here. It said double dip. Then just get it all coated like this. And then dip it again. And then get it coated again. Okay. Nice and coated. That's enough.
that's plenty.
How long are we supposed to keep it? With my hand. Go.
Yes.
You got it.
First,
I know.
fucking drop.
I know, but it scared me. I know better now. Alright, so we're gonna pat it on down. Pat. It's probably more interesting to get that camera and put it up there behind us so you can see. Hopefully you can taste this because it really didn't call for salt, which is, ooh, that smells good, which is crazy to me, but yeah, let me back. I don't know what you've been thinking, but I know what I got going on. Oh, how many times did I put this together? We need more oil. Might be burnt. The seasonings. And who put soap in here? You put soap in there, bro.
You put the soap.
Cause look, I ain't got. It's naked.
And yes, the grease is hot.
Grease is hot, but
I think that the Umbrella Academy is doing really good with some money.
what do you mean with the money?
Well, I mean, it's a really good show.
Yeah.
So it's going to get Netflix subscription, and that means they're going to get some money. They're going to get paid. And they also have the comic book. Yeah.
So your mom made that. She said you got to clean it.
Excuse me? Mom, I'm sorry, but that's not how things work.
Whoop your ass. You better, boy, put that on my head. You don't get him. Where'd it go? I was trying to make turkey chicken. I'm hiding in the corner because that was stressful. I feel like the recipe probably needed some more salt, and for some reason the batter didn't want to stick onto the chicken. So now we have to eat our chicken and our breading separately. Okay. It was the first try, so we're gonna see how it tastes. All right, y'all. Here, same time. What do you think?
It ain't churches, but
It sure ain't churches. Whatever y'all said, this is not churches. It needs a little bit more, probably paprika.
yeah.
A little more paprika. I was gonna say salt, but
I think it's the texture though. Use your words.
okay, guys. Thanks for watching. That was our church's chicken taste test, do it yourself video. Oh, you little tall.
Right.
Put me on the counter.
And a tall drink of water.
We're gonna leave the ingredients on the bottom so that y'all can try it yourself. I think it should probably need a little bit more paprika or something, but it's pretty good. It's kind of moist. I hate that like the skin fell off. But anyways, all right, you guys. See you later. Bye.
Well, last week we said it twice and we lost. Wait, now.
What's wrong?